Spindle is a software division at Dover, and we've chosen to go with a business model called software as a service. And the reason that software as a service was the route that we went, instead of just selling the software outright to a customer, was because when you look at the facilities that we're working with, people change, the problems change, the plants change, and in order to keep up with all those changes, the software also has to move with it, has to change with it. All too often today there are too many reports, and you know there's good information in these reports, and someone's just got to run the reports, look at the reports, interpret the reports. Well, there's not a lot of people that have the time to do that on your own team. And that's what the Spindle SaaS team does, is we will be running these reports, looking at these reports, analyzing these reports for you, and find where the opportunities are and push that information back to the customer. The Hedgehog concept forces you to ask the question, what can you be the best in the world at? It's a unique business proposition where we put the personal service in the software equation. And that's not a typical way to deliver a software package, and it's not even typical to deliver software as a service that way. There's this whole other team behind the scenes back at Spindle that is analyzing that information and putting that personal touch to the software and bringing that to the customer in a way that they can understand, in a way that they can make the changes and the improvements.